It's a great honor today. So we are inaugurating our Indigenous boom barrier. Happy to be a photographer of this event because my babies, my people has done this.
Proudly introduces its Indigenous crash-rated boom barrier, a product designed and developed entirely in India. This barrier is tested and certified to global K4, K8, and K12 crash standards by HORIBA MIRA in the United Kingdom. The system is built with reinforced anti-ram technology, a heavy-duty boom arm, and a high-torque electromechanical drive. This combination provides exceptional durability, stable performance, and long operational life. It also supports seamless integration with RFID, biometric devices, ANPR cameras, and modern access control platforms. Magtech's crash-rated boom barrier represents India's engineering strength, combining global certification, strong protection, and future-ready technology.